girl. Tintin. Okay.
But then they're so excited. They get so excited to see each other. Aww.
Hello, baby.
It's like they never left each other.
Yeah, it seems they... Yeah.
Eva.
Isn't that great? I love the way she says.
Yeah.
She's trying to dominate her big sister.
Eva, my goodness. So much anger.
Aww. It's a good thing. It's a good thing his mommy is not. Her mommy is not here. He's not gonna like that. Her mommy is so overprotective.
Yes, I love you so. There's your daddy.
Aww. How about the mommy?
There's mom. Oh, her and her dad played a lot.
Yeah, miss the dad. Oh my.
Come here, little girl. Look beautiful.
Where's yours?
Oh.
Is that brother? Female?
This is
male?
the female.
Eva.
Eva. Oh my goodness. Here, let's back it up for a second there. You're getting all wound up and crazy.
Oh, babies. You're so beautiful. They're all getting more beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
Hello. Just your little brother left to come.
We need to teach him how to do the conga line.
Oh, dear. Okay, Eva.
Well, her mommy went to work. Got called in early.
Did she?
Probably want to go. Where are you going? They like eating leaves, eh? Going outside, they eat leaves.
Yeah.